Nene, please get it.
I mean, I love the LGBTQI community, but I like some that swang. Hey, yo, you. Y'all know I like to get out to nighttime sometime. I come alive in the nighttime. No, I gotta do better, y'all. This was too pale for me. Everything you do got me feeling some type of way. Y'all like my last vlog? I was just watching it. Hope y'all day is going good. It is Wednesday, hump day. It is late in the evening because y'all know I ain't want to pick up the camera till late in the evening. Your girl been cramping. Your girl been going through it. I'm tired of it though. I'm tired of it being my storyline. We gonna snap up out of it. So I got in the car all like, oh, let's get it, let's go. Where the hell am I going? My phone is still broken, so I don't have no GPS. I know how to get around here a little bit, but not totally. Not quite yet. So I'm going to have to pull up this iPad and let it lead the way. So I'm currently editing the vlog where I went to Detroit. So I just want to get out the house. Like, you know, when you edit it, sometimes you'll be spending hours upon hours just in one place, one setting, one room. And that can get monotonous. That can get boring. That can get depressing. So let's switch up the environment. Let's switch up the vibes. Let's get out the house for a little bit. I don't gotta take y'all in here with me. Y'all know what type of water I get. I get Core or Life water. Okay. And then y'all see me get gas before I get regular old gas. And yeah, so let me go handle this business. This bug on my windshield is scaring me, and I'm not even scared of bugs, but it's doing all kind of stuff. Okay, thank God. Go away. Like, it's fluttering around, it's spreading its wings, it's twerking, it's doing all types of stuff on my windshield. Do it on that windshield. Yeah.
I done figured this shit out, these niggas gon' bite on my swag, it's a virus. Oh, I done the swag and I pull up on bitches dressed in all white like my savage. Yeah, knowing I gave for bitches, I'm bitches, I whip out, she suck on my private. Psyche, little nigga play on my catch when I'm bad in the stick, I'm folding like a wallet. Ooh, that's why the God is only one of me and these bitches 3D like a jolly. Ooh, I'm walking through it like tons of the ones and these bitches grabbing on my phallus. Ooh, oh nigga try me, I swear I got Lil Woody, pull up and pop at it nugget. Bitch, I got water on, look like I'm fresh from Hawaii. Tatted bitch up like I'm Willie D. I'm Tennessee, but that chain on my neck is a T. Like no milk blink, bitch, I own the rock like JC. You did, war ready like Tracy T. You did, rest on rat.
I was feeling the vibes at the coffee shop, but your girl is back cramping. Yeah, I'm about to go grab these little like heated stickers. That's what we'll call them. These heated pad stickers. And you put them like on the outside of your panties or like your pajama pants. Yes, another thing I've been living is this like magnesium massage bar. I'm finna go home, get in the shower, and then when I get out, I'm gonna lather myself down with that and then put on a fresh pair of pajamas and then put these little heated pad things on. Man, I'm finna sleep good. But I'm currently editing the Detroit vlog. I'm excited about it. Hopefully it come out how I wanted to though, because a lot of the footage from a restaurant I went to is on my phone. Hopefully it recalibrates and re-downloads. I don't know what's gonna happen. Phone really broke. Really can't do nothing with it. Our camera about to go dead, so let's go in here real quick, grab my heated stickers, and then we going home, taking a shower, and relaxing our mind.
talking shit about like Adrian.
To losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn.
I'm telling y'all, with all this nature stuff I'm trying to get into, I need to get me like a little guide. Like, what's poisonous? What's this? What's that? What's north? What's west? What's south? What's south? What's north? What's west? What's south? I'm gonna need to give me a little manual. It's like a little class. Ooh, it's hot out here, but it feels so good. Y'all, the vibes are immaculate. I found me a 420 spot. It's gonna be this one right here. This is cute. Imagine your boo thing come out here. Yeah, you a little sit down, talk, and smoke y'all some fire. It's a vibe. I want to go down closer, but I think I want to invest in some hiking boots. I tried to ask ChatGPT what would be the importance of hiking boots, but I don't have a cell service. So some guy was out here talking on phone. I want to ask him so bad, how you got cell service? He was white, so you know white people just can do anything. Alright guys, I needed this. I'm about to go back over there in my little corner. Y'all see my corner? My little corner. I'm living. I done cool down because it's hot out here, y'all. It's hot. But I'm in the shade right now, so I feel good. I've been editing all day. I gotta stop doing that, but at least I wasn't editing all night. So that was a good day. It was a very chill Friday, but a very good Friday. Well, I think you should just enjoy what's going on. When I say my cat is a little man, he is. Like, he watching his little view, then he has to report back. I just want to sit out here in silence. What's wrong that night? Ooh. What's wrong? You like the view? Baby, I discovered those spritzes back in Michigan. I need bigger glasses. We're gonna have to go glass shopping. I love a good cigar. I really wanted to go to the cigar bar when I was in Michigan, but one thing about it, when I first get my hair done, I don't want to go. I don't want my hair to smell like it, but it's about time for me to wash and condition soon. So what's up? Nay, please. Nay, please get it. Oh my god. It's pooping. Oh my god. Why does my Florida ghost gotta suffer? Oh, pooping everywhere. It's pooping everywhere. The bird is going to die in here. And oh my God! Oh my God! Please get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh my God! Nay, you did not. Nay, you did not stand on business. Look at Nay. No, get back here, Nay. You the reason. I know you the reason that bird in here was in here. You scared now? You scared? Boy, pooped everywhere. Like the bird. I mean, it ain't poop everywhere, but my God, loves to clean it up. Birds can carry a lot of diseases. Why did my plants have to suffer? At least I hope this Florida ghost, I was just admiring this Florida ghost, saying how well it's been doing. Then it gets attacked by a bird that I'm sure Nate coaxed in here. You still looking for it. That bird is not your friend. I hope that bird fly away. I hope it survive all this. My neighbor's probably gonna call. They gonna call me. Watch, my neighbor's about to call me. Like, are you okay in there? Are you okay in there? Oh my God. Good morning. Good morning. No, I want to hear your mouth. Because you went and ran and hide. You went and ducked and hide when the going went tough. Oh, don't get up there. Because he want to get up there where the bird was at. Oh, child, my heart is beating so fast, y'all. I got to go clean up this mess, child. Get some gloves and some glass cleaner and disinfect this little area, because yeah, you done scared him into the house. I about can know how that went down. Nate, for one, the tea is, I feel like Nate is responsible, because I've been telling everybody Nate gonna catch a body before the end of the summer. So what Nate does, Nate be hiding behind the door and hiding behind the patio furniture, stalking the birds, chasing them, making them fly off. I feel like that particular bird ain't Pete. He probably landed on the patio. Ain't people was a predator laying and wait for his ass. Then Nene probably scared it and it instantly flew in the crib. That has never happened before. So I know Nene is, and look at him just in the hallway chilling. Nene probably was gonna get that bird. I probably scared him because I was hollering and yelling, wasn't I? Oh, child. Nigga had me scared, but I held my own though.
Back to my parents just to catch. Hello.
Who was in concert?
Well,
going on with plans of moving forward to drive.
I ain't doing nothing, y'all. These meals plans. It's nothing to see here. Y'all know the process, and I'm getting the exact same color. The lemon sherbet color, I'm getting the same color. So I'll talk to y'all when I get out of here. I'm gonna listen to my little music. Oh no. No. Leave it alone. How do you do, partner? So I think that I'm going to go back to my place and go on that. Girl, don't be looking at, look, she looking at them tits. Slow your roll, ho. Little mama strictly dick. Excuse my language. She just was staring so hard, like, baby, I love the LGBTQI community, but I like some that swing. I like when it swing, baby. I'm gonna go back to the house and we're gonna go walk. Okay? We're gonna go back to the house and we're gonna walk and get some grub. I really want a lobster roll and I want to have a cocktail. And we gonna walk though. So we gonna go back to the house, park the car, and get out for a little adventure. I'm definitely feeling good. I always feel good after I get my manicure and pedicure. Always top tier mood. How can you be in a bad mood after they done rubbed your feet, little paraffin wax, they gave you a little wine, a little bottle of water? I'm good. Yeah. This lady asking me, am I about to go on vacation? Why is she trying to be funny? Ma'am, I don't dress for practicality. I dress for whimsy.
Baddest bitch on the South Coast. I got these fuck niggas tripping off their house notes. 'Cause I'm out the class with it. I'm getting cash with it. Pretty face, slim waist, badass with it.
Yeah, right off the back, I'm a Mac. We can get it poppin', we can get it crackin'. And if your man is whack, and if he lack what I pack, then I will make you lack him. Try to make a do what you wanna, how you wanna, where you wanna, when you wanna. Ask them. And my clip never droppin', we can get it poppin' like a Mac 10. That when you back, I smack that. And I'm strapped with an automatic tongue, and it goes that. Now who wanna get shot, baby? I can tap that, yeah, I can tap that at the rap bag. I can lay back like a fat cat, but I'm a big dog on that.
I'ma kick it off like this. I ain't come for a hug, head straight for a kiss. Don't come for my face, 'cause I'm talking about my I'ma need all of my kisses down there. One hand on my neck, one pulling on my hair. Hold up, I'ma tell you everything